Hello, aspiring coders. Welcome to an electrifying new project with the Schogini Toys DIY Kit. This time, we're diving into the L301 traffic signal adventure. Step 1. Set up your kit. Before we get started, ensure your kit is switched off. Take the traffic signal module from your kit and connect it. It has 4 pins, and you'll find one labeled as GND. Align this pin with pin number 3 on your CPU. The other pins will naturally fit into pins 4, 5, and 6. Need visual aid? Check out this video. Step 2. Power on and navigate once connected. Power on your kit. Glide through to Menu L301. Haven't navigated through our menu before? Check out our menu navigation tutorial to get up to speed. Step 3. Engage with the module at L301. Sit tight for 10 seconds or flick the joystick right to summon a helpful message. Want to skip the tips? A quick nudge to the left will do. Yes. The scrolling help message also tells you how to connect the module. Press the joystick to begin. Before the traffic signal sequence begins, the same help message will appear once more. If you'd like to skip this, simply move the joystick to the left. The traffic lights will cycle from red to yellow to green, just like the real deal. Step 4. Play around and exit when you're ready. Move the joystick left to head back to the main menu. Get creative. Use the included jumper wires to give your traffic signal a real-world makeover by placing the LEDs into a model traffic cutout or post. Bonus learning: dive into Python coding now. Let's peek under the hood at the Python code controlling this magic. Customize the timing, tinker with the settings, and see what new patterns emerge. Grab the code and further your experiments using Menu L306. Need assistance? Our friendly AI chatbot is here to guide you through any coding challenges. For more resources and to continue your journey toward becoming a Python pro, visit us at Schogini Toys. Happy coding, future Python masters! Congratulations! Remember, with our Schogini Toys DIY Kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Schogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.